Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can redeem V-Bucks over on Fortnite. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC. Search for Fortnite. Open up the first site that comes up. After that, you have the choice of logging in with your Fortnite account, or you can just leave it as it is. And after that, after the Fortnite site completely loads up, select more from the top menu, and then click on V-Bucks from the drop down menu. Now a page will open up in front of you containing necessary information about redemption of V-Bucks card. To start entering your redemption code, tap on Get Started and then type in the code inside the bar. After entering the code, tap on Next, and then it will ask you for the platform you play Fortnite on. Just enter the correct credentials and you're done. That's how you can redeem V-Bucks over on Fortnite. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.